Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. This is Erica Love Simple Cooking TV, and so guys, today I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumplings, some Idaho potato, some sweet potato and some corn for dinner with ackee and saltfish, Jamaican national dish guys. So guys, watch the process guys. I'm gonna try to talk in some part of the video, some part of the video gonna be silent. So watch the process guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment, subscribe and share, and continue to comment guys. Let YouTube know that you like the videos if you watch them and you like them. So watch the process guys as I go ahead and do my videos. Alright guys. Yes guys, so in this bowl I have my cornmeal and my flour guys that I'm gonna need. Over here I have my sweet potato, my Idaho potato, and there's some sweet pepper that I have in my whole freezer, and so I'm gonna use that. My onion and my scallion is in my fridge. So right here guys, this is the ackee that I'm boiling the ackee guys. So I'm cooking the ackee, and over here is my codfish boiling. So I'm boiling the codfish to make sure so I get out all the salt out of it guys. So guys, watch the process as I continue this cooking. video. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe, and share, guys. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and may God continue to bless you. And remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Alright guys, walk good until next time.